Okay, so first I want to say hello and thanks for taking the time to watch this video, David. Again, my name is Jeff and my company is Belanger Solutions. And the point of the video is to kind of show you how you could increase the value of your company and get yourself some more exposure on Google. There's three key factors that come into play with a website: content, backlinks, and citations. So let's kind of take it from the basics. Every time you type something here into this Google search bar, these are considered keywords, and Google uses these keywords to find websites that best fit the search. Search engine optimization is what they call it, or SEO. Google crawls millions and millions of websites daily, looking for content relevant to these keywords that are being typed in, and then categorizes those websites based on that. This is how you establish rank. Now, you typically want 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your site, depending on your competition and number of keywords. So, I have your site here. I looked up roofing, obviously, roofing contractor or roofing Raleigh, and I know that you're not here. I didn't see you. So, of course, explain a few more things. You know, we have ads here. You can always run ads that generate quick reviews. The Google Business Profile is how you rank in the map or the map pack. This generates a lot of local traffic, local business for searches near me. You know, when somebody searches something near me, your Google Business Profile and your area of coverage connected to citations. And citations are anything with your name, address, and phone number, and other things. You know, maybe reviews and photos play some roles here, but the ranking and the map is directly related to a lot of the business profile and citations. Underneath the map, you have your organic ranking. So if you've wondered, how does somebody get on the first page? How are these businesses here? Well, I'll explain some of that. Aside from Angie and Better Business Bureau and some other things, yeah, that doesn't count. You want to find a website that's organically ranking. So we have RoofWorks right here, and I put him up in here. So we have your website, and I have a tool that I use. It's called Ahrefs, and Ahrefs shows me what's going on behind closed doors, what's going on with the website, and how it's ranking or what it's doing. So I mentioned earlier, backlinks play an important role in the rank structure. Backlinks is where one website links to another. It's like an endorsement of your website from another website. Google uses that to build trust in you. It creates popularity. Keep in mind, not all backlinks are created equal. So you would want to make sure that the backlinks that you have are not necessarily from a landscaping company that doesn't carry as much weight as another company's website that deals with roofing or contracting referring back to you. There's more power with that. Looks like you have 4 referring domains or other sites connected to you, and it doesn't look like you have any keywords or content, and it's not bringing you any traffic per month. Okay, so Roofworks, I got him here. So this would be his website. He does residential, commercial, and multifamily. I plugged him into the same tool, and he has 1,000 backlinks, 172 referring domains, 676 keywords, and that's generating him 1,000 views a month. Now, all the keywords he has, you can have. All the backlinks he's got, you can have them as well. So to show you kind of how this works, this is the volume per month that a particular keyword or service somebody's looking for, typed into Google for something near me, roofer near me. For example, roofer Raleigh, North Carolina, somebody typed that in, that gets typed in or searched 500 times a month. Raleigh, North Carolina roofer, 500 times a month. See, you can switch these keywords because everybody types in something different in a different way. Roofing Raleigh, 300. Roof Works, that's for them. Roofing Repair Raleigh, 150 times. Roof Repairs Raleigh, 150 times. So you have repairs and repair. Roofers Raleigh again, 500. Roof repair in Raleigh, North Carolina, 150. So you start to see all these keywords, all this, when this adds up all together collectively, that creates a lot of volume, a lot of exposure to your website when you have the right content built into it. You'll start to get recognized for the services that you're offering for what people are looking for. Um, let's do it. Let's take it one step further because I know you do general contracting as well. That was in your website, I believe. Welcome to Lamar. Remodeling contractor. We specialize in exterior remodeling contractor, general contracting. So I did general contractor, Raleigh. All the way down here on the bottom, still on the first page. So, I mean, you can get yourself ranked in the Google business profile for near me. Then we have House, BBB, Yelp, Angie, Home Advisor. We have some general contract, the best general contractors in Raleigh. It's an advertisement. Chamber of Commerce. And then we have Blue Ribbon right down here. So I grabbed him, put his website up in here. This is the Blue Ribbon, and I plugged him into the same tool. So let us take a look at this. If my computer wants to run for me. Okay, he has 851 backlinks, 390 keywords, bringing him 279 views a month in traffic. So underneath general contractor, what do we have here? North Carolina remodeling contractor, 200 times a month. Home remodeling Raleigh, 150. Construction reviews, construction company reviews. Contractors Raleigh, North Carolina, 250. Raleigh remodeling, 50. General contractors Raleigh, 450. You see, so depending on what you want to target and where you want to be and your area of coverage, will depend on the content and the keywords that you have in your website and how you'll get found. It's important to understand many companies can build a website. Some of them will fall short with content and SEO. So when you're wondering, why is my website not moving, or why aren't I getting any traffic coming from my website, it's important to understand to have a well-built website. Content, backlinks, citations, Google Business Profile. As soon as this comes together, as soon as you start getting endorsed and trusted and recognized by other backlinks and other websites, Google starts to see and recognize you. And you move yourself up the rank structure and you start generating local traffic, and it starts creating customers and becomes sales. So that's kind of how that works. I mean, without a well built site, it's like having a business card on a desert island. Nobody's going to see you. So it's important to understand what kind of value that can bring to you. I just wanted to explain that. Hopefully that was insightful. I don't know if you got that information before. If you had any questions, I'd be more than happy to talk to you, answer any questions. Um, thank you. Have a nice day.